Hello, you guys. I'm calling from Germany today. I just wanted to shoot this video log and its name about me. I just wanted to talk about me to see where I am at this moment. And then I'm thinking about in line of, how old am I and what do I have to work with. And then I'm thinking at the same time about you guys out there. You out there. What are you? Where are you now? You know, what do you have to work with? I'm thinking about where I am. I'm thinking about yes. Um, well, I'm 45 years old, and as a matter of fact, let's say I have like 40 years more to live. I'm just saying 30, 10 doesn't really matter. What do I have to work with? Well, I have the earth, I have the air, I have water, I have land. So that's what I need to work with. And what brought me, what got me till here, what brought me here? Well, um, I I went through life thinking, life could be a better place if you always just take this moment and think about where you are. And if you feel to yourself you're not uh, doing well, maybe it's time for you to set a better sail. When I said set a better sail, I mean to say if you're in your boat and you have a sail and the breeze is not blowing in the direction where you need to go, then maybe you need to change your direction, change your sail, set a better sail, and move to a better direction. Meaning, use the elements what you have, use the element what's giving, use the element that are free, and make something happen. Be creative and be positive. Make sure you make the best of everything. When you are doing something, when you're doing whatever you're doing, make sure you put your whole soul into it. You just pour it on. You need to have a lot of passion, and that's important, because when you do it with a lot of grace, people could recognize it, and they will um, enjoy the things that you make, or the things that you do. And what I had also in mind was, how can I inspire yeah, people today? What can I tell them today to inspire them? Well, to make a long story short, I I must say, practice the golden rule. And when I said practice the golden rule, many of you out there know what the golden rule is. So you just practice that, and make sure that you go out there. And what I always do is go there and say, you know what, I'm going out there to take care of my family, and making sure that other people take care of their family. So like this, you train yourself to survive, but you train yourself also to eat something and give somebody a piece of it. Just give somebody a piece of the action. Use some, give some away. Learn how to take care of each other, and then you survive. you know you're not on this earth alone. So let's start sharing, let's start giving. And yeah, some people might say, yeah, that's nice saying. I work very hard for what I have. No, you want me to give it away? No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying to practice the golden rule. And if there is opportunity, if you could, yeah, help out people with showing them different opportunities, that's good. If you have a skill, you could record so others could see and they could learn something about it. Yeah, that's okay. So there is a lot to do, and you could do it too. Yes, you could surely do it too. So I encourage you guys to this video log here is again about where are you now. You know, take a pen and paper, just write it down, fill it out, you know. Think about yourself, but okay, where am I now, you know? And yeah, maybe you want to record it like I'm doing now, you know, get accustomed to recording yourself, because you're gonna be out there even if you're not here anymore. So maybe somebody else could come across your video, get inspired, and say, well, you know, yeah, I am at this spot here and I don't want to be here, or I'm good here. And they will just say, well, I will take the encouragement. And maybe they might say also, you know, you really changed my life because of that small video, what you said, you know. Let me just take a look at myself and my situation, where I am now, and how can I change it. So it's a video, it's just a recording, a video log this morning. I'm thinking, yeah, what can I add more, you know, to what get me going, you know, what's my thought at this moment. So that's my thought at this moment here. So if you're out there and you're thinking, what should I do now, um, instead of, yeah, making a funny movie that's very good, you know, you could laugh, it's very enjoyable, or a sad movie, or some kind of a trailer. I just want to make a inspiration moment, you know, just to inspire. It's very good, you know. And I hope you are inspired, and I hope you enjoy this movie. It's just some words, but you know, as you know, that words could really have a lot of meaning. Just a simple word as family. You think a lot of things when you think about family. So many words could move you, you know. So I hope you guys use the element that you have in giving, your skills, which you have. And you guys, if you're not where you need to be, please set a better sail. So all you guys looking out there, you have a wonderful day today, and set a better sail. Take care. Goodbye.